In this video, I'm showing you how to look expensive without breaking the bank. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to everyone who's new here. My name is Ashley Park, this is Park Avenue, and I have tons of fashion content. So if you love unboxings, outfit ideas, hauls, lifestyle content, I've got something for you. Be sure to check out some of my other videos. And when you find something you like, subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell because I upload multiple times a week and I don't want you to miss a thing. So for today's video, I am bringing you guys some really great fall looks built around some really great fall staples. And you guys know if you watch my channel that I have been on the hunt for some key pieces in my wardrobe. I really have needed to fill the holes in my wardrobe where I don't have key basics that I can build outfits around. And it's just so funny because I am so attracted to like statement pieces and, you know, just really interesting pieces. And it's just time for me to focus in on those stable pieces that I can build those really fantastic outfits around. So I'm so excited that I was able to partner with Saks Off Fifth in this video. It is sponsored by Saks Off Fifth, and I am bringing you guys some really great pieces at really great prices. These are the items that are great for capsule wardrobes. If you are looking to invest in some quality things, but you don't want to break the bank, then this is the perfect place. I love to be able to bring you guys really great pieces at great prices. And Saks Off Fifth has some really amazing brands. So there is tons to pick from. They have lots of variety and you guys cannot go wrong. And they even have some really great cashmere pieces, a couple of which I'm gonna show you guys today. And you guys know how I feel about cashmere. And you get free shipping on all orders, $99 and over. So I'm pretty sure that's not gonna be hard to hit because there's so much to pick from. And if you guys are like me and you're looking for some really quality basics, then that's gonna be your go-to site as well. So check the description box for links to all the pieces that I'm showing you guys. And I also found some pieces from Saks Off Fifth that are really great options for some of the other pieces that I'm showing you guys in the outfits. If you're looking to recreate these looks to the T, or maybe you just like an item that I'm showing you, I made sure to check the site to see that they had some similar things available. So definitely check the description box. And if you're watching this video on your phone, click the little arrow to the right and you guys will have access to all the links and sizing information and all that. But of course, if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. So let's get into these pieces that I picked up from Saks Off Fifth. So the first piece I want to show you guys is this cashmere turtleneck. If you guys watch my channel, you know how much I love cashmere. I think it's just amazing. It's very rich. It's great quality. It keeps you warm and it will not add the bulk. I don't always like to have super chunky sweaters because one, I just don't need so many of those. And two, as a curvy girl, you don't want to add too much bulk, especially if you like to layer. So I do love a really nice cashmere piece, and these are gorgeous. These are not too thick. They're really comfortable to wear. They're not itchy or anything like that. And they're cashmere, so you cannot go wrong. And I just love these so much so that I also picked it up in black. And if you guys watch my channel, then you know how much I love to pick things up. When I like something in one color, I tend to buy it in a second color. And black and camel, you just cannot go wrong with. So I needed a nice quality black turtleneck and one that's not gonna fade over time, that's not gonna be all stretched out and weird after a while. So obviously take good care of these pieces. They're going to last you for years. I mean, years. So I just am able to style these two things so simply. And you guys are gonna see in the upcoming outfit ideas, but I love these really great basics. And if you're looking for some great sweaters, then check these out. They have so many on the website. I'll link to some others for you guys just in case. Maybe you're not into turtlenecks, maybe you like crew necks or V-necks. Maybe you just want to see some other options. I'll have that for you guys in the description box. Next up, I picked up a pair of jeans. These jeans are so good. I love the wash. This style of a wash is more on the casual side of things. So if you want to get a wash that's great for work, then I'll link to some darker washes in the description box. But I really like these. They have a good stretch to them. They're very comfortable to wear and they have that 70s flair that I love. You guys, love, love, love. They're so flattering, especially for curvy girls. They have enough room in the hip and thigh, across the bottom. Everything here is really great. I don't have a gap in the back, which is something I tend to have with a lot of jeans. Even jeans that fit me well, sometimes I still have to go and get the waist taken in. I didn't have to do that with these, so I think that's really great. Overall, a nice classic pair of flare jeans, and I do like this wash, especially if you like to keep things casual. This is a great wash. And the last piece I want to show you guys are these Stuart Weitzman boots. I absolutely love these. If you watch my channel, you also know that I love patent leather, and this little toe cap is everything. I love the two textures. I love this shine that it adds to it. It keeps it interesting while being a neutral. You guys know I love interesting neutrals. So this is something that you can wear over and over and over again. And I always encourage you guys when you get a pair of new boots or shoes to put some taps at the bottom so that way you can wear them and have them for years. And the heel is covered in leather as well. So of course you just want to make sure you're just protecting your soles with some taps so you don't have any like damage from walking around, because these are going to be a pair of boots that you reach for a lot, I'm telling you guys. And it fits nicely. It's comfortable on the ankle. I mean, this is going to look good with dresses, skirts. It looks great with jeans. Of course, you can't go wrong. Slacks, I mean, forget about it. These are a really great pair of boots. Here's the first look I want to show you guys. And the camel turtleneck that I got from Saks Off 5th and the skinny flare jeans pair so nicely together. I love this look. This 70s vibe is just everything. And it just was so comfortable and easy to wear. But it looks very rich. And that is what I'm going for with all my looks, you guys. I just want to really just look put together when I put an outfit together, but I want it to be easy. I don't want looks that I have to like think so hard about in order to look put together. I want them to be easy, but pack a punch. So I really love this outfit. Very comfortable. Like I said, the jeans and the turtleneck are really, really easy to wear. And they just look great together. And then I just threw on a pair of peep toe boots. I just wanted a little bit of elevation. The pants are a little bit longer. And I do think they would be tall girl friendly. So definitely check the inseam when I link them for you guys. And I'll link a couple of other pairs of jeans as well. But love this. And then I just threw on a hat. This hat is a nice chocolate brown color. But I actually found a hat on the Saks Off 5th website that I actually think would be cuter with this outfit because it's a different shade of brown. It's more like a cognac kind of a shade, and I think it would just pair a lot better with this look. So definitely check that out. Saks Off 5th has a really good selection of fedoras, so I'll link them for you guys because I'm definitely into those as well. And I think you should have one or two or a few in your collection because they do make a statement, especially if you keep your outfit very like basic. You know, it's great to really punch things up with accessories, but if you have good basic pieces, you don't always have to over accessorize because you just look really chic and just like super fabulous. Here's the next look I want to show you guys. Now with this look, I was going for more like a 70s inspired suit, like a deconstructed kind of like 70s inspired suit type of vibe. I'm wearing a suit blazer here as a top, and I just threw on a pretty bra underneath, you know, so it peeps through. And then I have on the jeans that I got from Saks Off 5th, that skinny flare, you know, adds to that whole like 70s vibe. The blazer is a little bit longer and we have that classic camel color, and I really like the way they pair together. And it's just a really easy look to recreate because the pieces, it's just only a few pieces here and it makes a really nice impact. And then I threw on a pair of shades, a nice pair of like statement shades. And Saks Off 5th has a really good selection of like Chloe shades, which is like classic 70s vibe. I actually had a pair of Chloe shades that I loved, and I dropped them and the lens cracked, and it was completely my fault. And to this day, I'm so upset about them. So I have a couple of Chloe shades in my cart for Saks Off 5th, and I'm gonna check those out, but I will link them for you guys because they have a good selection. If you want to recreate this entire look, you can definitely do that. And I just love this vibe. And then for shoes, I just threw on a pointed toe boot, so I'll link to some for you guys from Saks Off 5th. But I absolutely love this look, and it's so easy to wear. And if you don't feel comfortable with just wearing like a lacy bra underneath the blazer, of course you can throw on like a camisole or maybe like a half shirt, like something cropped, maybe something more fitted underneath since you're gonna have the blazer buttoned up. That's gonna work great as well. So you can definitely play around to get something similar here as far as the look is concerned. Now I wanna get into styling the black turtleneck that I picked up. Again, this one is cashmere, so it is really luxe and really rich, but great basic. So I just paired it very simply with a pair of like washed out black skinny jeans. And I do wear skinny jeans more in like the fall and winter because boots, I like to tuck them into my boots. And then I threw on the Stuart Weitzman boots. I just love this all black look. I love an all black look. It just looks so good. And a lot of times these like uniform colors, even with the first look I showed you guys, even though I had on jeans, it still was a very monochrome look because I was in like the neutral browns, those yummy caramel colors. They just look so good. And if you think about the kinds of looks that just remain classic, stand the test of time, that you constantly see every year, they're like these monochrome, like camel looks or all black looks or like charcoal grays. They are just so timeless and gorgeous and always put together. And then when you see someone in these kinds of looks, when you see them, they just look so polished and put together, and you're just like, wow, she looks great. And you really can't just like pinpoint any one thing on the outfit that looks amazing, but all these neutrals and all these really great pieces play so nicely together that the overall look just looks amazing. So I hope I'm getting my point across to you guys, because that was my goal for this video, just to show you how really great basics could really pack a punch as well. You know, you don't always have to rely on your accessories, but you know, we love to accessorize over here, so we can do that too. But basics are really important. And then with this look, I just threw on an oversized scarf. Saks OFF 5TH has a really great selection of oversized scarves, which I have linked in the description box for you guys, because I do feel like those are really great basics, like necessities as well. And they are a really great accessory that you can play around with and have a lot of fun with. And of course, throw them in your bag. Like if you go to work, you know, into the office, throw them in your tote when you're traveling. They're great to have in your carry-on. I mean, you need an oversized scarf in your life if you don't have one. And I just draped this one around me like so effortlessly, very chic. And this look is giving like rich auntie vibes. This look is, I have money, but I'm not too worried about a thing. I don't have any concerns. I'm fabulous. Let's go to lunch. You know what I mean? That's what I'm giving with this look. And then I threw on a pair of black shades, which was just the cherry on top. So I love this entire outfit. And it was just, again, these pieces so easy to wear. I'm telling you guys, like, not like these pieces separately, maybe you wouldn't think much of them, but when you combine them together, look at this statement. I love it. And here is the last look I have for you guys. And this is a monochrome sort of a look as well. That black cashmere turtleneck from Saks OFF 5TH, I just tucked into my slacks. And this is actually not a look I often do. I don't usually tuck my sweaters in, but I wanted to show you guys something different and something that I don't usually do. So I tried it out and I really liked it. I think this is a great look for the office. If you want to do sort of like a business casual look, this is a great option. And then I just paired it with a pair of like charcoal kind of slacks. But I did see on Saks OFF 5TH's website, they have some leather trousers that I think would have been a better fit for this look and something a lot more fun and adds a little bit of a different texture into the outfit. So definitely check those out. I'll link those for you guys in the description box. But I do love a leather trouser or a faux leather trouser, anything in that family, because that adds that extra element to the outfit, which is a lot of fun. And the ones I'm wearing here are cropped, which is why I said it's kind of more like business casual, because it's not a full length pant. And it is showing quite a bit of like a skin at the bottom, like ankle. And then I just threw on a pair of mules. Easy breezy, and another reason why I'm saying business casual, because it's not a full shoe, so it is kind of like easy, you know, put together. I'm really sharp, but you know, I'm kind of chill too. So I really like that. Very sharp outfit. I love it. But you can easily throw on a pair of pumps if you wanted to, you know, step it up or do something different here, which would be A1. I love this. So you can definitely play around. You can even do sneakers with an outfit like this. You can definitely do a pair of white sneakers, and that's really fun and funky as well. So play around with your options, and I will link for you guys, like I said earlier, in the description box, lots of options from Saks OFF 5TH. And you guys are gonna have a lot of fun, especially with full fashion. It's just really nice to be able to have the variety and a lot to pick from, because style is like always evolving and changing. And it's just really great that Saks OFF 5TH has a lot of different brands to pick from, and it can fit a lot of different personalities. So I love that a lot, and I think you guys will appreciate it as well. So be sure to check the description box for all the information you're gonna need. And don't forget, if you're watching from your phone, be sure to click that little arrow to the bottom right, and you'll have links to everything I'm showing you guys today. And that's it, you guys. Those are my fall picks from Saks OFF 5TH. Now, before I let you guys go, it is time for today's Instagram shout out. And today I am shouting out the Blonde Misfit. She commented under one of my last photos and she wrote, "Love the YouTube video, and I am obsessed with this jacket and the brown turtleneck. I love fall weather." First of all, I told you guys how much I love turtlenecks, so it's like very obvious at this point. But thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I love you guys' comments, and I love reading you guys' comments. Now, the Blonde Misfit is also a content creator. She creates like fashion, beauty, lifestyle content, so be sure to check her out on Instagram as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all your support. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And a huge thanks to Saks OFF 5TH for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.